Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars. Trying to up the energy. Up in this here piece.
Yeah.
Look.
The Corvette pulling a wheelie.
I know, look at that. It's got some serious HP in there. So obviously we took the hood off and we're starting to work on this because we are running out of place to put things. We need this run stand to test that motor. So
Don't know what we're gonna do with it.
yeah. So anyway, yeah.
And that one.
And that one, the 4.8 over there, we need behind the C10 seat. But yeah, we've just been disconnecting everything we can under here. Just took off this side's exhaust bolts going to the manifold. That was fun. And now we're going to do the other side. But yeah, not a lot of room to work under the Corvette here because it's been lowered. So there was literally no way I could get that jack under the car. So we had to jerk around with it a bit to get it up.
That's what she said.
In the air. And but yeah, it's coming along. Pretty soon this motor is going to be out. And we're going to be looking to put a different motor in. So, and if anybody wants an LT1
That runs.
that runs, I got a video of it. Runs pretty good. Let me know.